A home begins with an entrance, and the entrance begins with the main door. Before anyone steps inside, the door speaks about the design, strength, and quality of the house. In today's modern homes, a well-crafted wooden main door is not just a necessity, it is a statement. In this video, we are exploring a premium full-size wooden main door design that blends modern CNC carving with elegant traditional detailing. From clean geometric panels to smooth floral patterns, this design reflects balance, craftsmanship, and thoughtful architecture. If you are planning a new house, renovating your home, or searching for inspiration for a strong and stylish entrance, this video will help you understand what makes a main door truly premium. This design approach and execution is brought to you by Sanjesh Construction, where quality construction meets refined design and practical experience. When it comes to a home, the main door is not just an entry point. It is the first statement of design, strength, and quality. A well-designed main door reflects the personality of the house and the taste of the homeowner. In modern Indian homes, full-size wooden main doors with CNC carving are becoming a top choice because they perfectly balance tradition and modern design. This door design showcases a premium full-height wooden panel crafted with precision CNC carving. The vertical orientation gives a tall and elegant appearance, making the entrance look grand and welcoming. The natural unfinished wood tone highlights the original grain pattern, giving a rich and authentic feel that paint or artificial finishes cannot replace. One of the key highlights of this door is the asymmetrical layout. On one side, clean rectangular recessed panels are arranged vertically. These geometric panels bring a modern architectural touch and create depth without making the design heavy. The spacing and proportions are carefully balanced to maintain simplicity while still looking premium. On the other side, the floral CNC carving adds a soft and artistic contrast. Flowing curves, leaf-inspired patterns, and smooth edges bring life into the door surface. This mix of straight lines and organic curves makes the design suitable for both contemporary and traditional homes. The floral carving is not loud or overdone. It is subtle, elegant, and timeless. Circular rosette elements placed above and below the floral carving add symmetry and visual rhythm. These small details play a big role in enhancing the overall design language of the door. They also reflect traditional Indian carving influences while keeping the look modern and refined. The diagonal curved groove running through the door acts as a design connector. It visually separates the geometric section and the floral section while maintaining harmony. This curve makes the door stand out from standard flat panel designs and gives it a designer look often seen in luxury homes and villas. Another important aspect is the full-size framing. The door is designed to be seen completely from top to bottom, including the border frame and threshold. This full-height presentation is ideal for main entrances because it enhances vertical space and creates a strong visual impact from the outside. Material quality plays a major role in door durability. Solid wood or high-grade engineered wood ensures long life, resistance to warping, and better finishing results. When combined with precise CNC carving, the final output is sharp, clean, and consistent across the entire surface. This type of door design is perfect for homeowners who want a customized, premium entrance without unnecessary complexity. It suits independent houses, duplex homes, villas, and even luxury apartments. With the right polish or finish, this same design can adapt to multiple architectural styles. If you are planning a new house or renovating your existing home, choosing the right main door design is crucial. A professionally designed and crafted door increases the value of your home and leaves a lasting impression on visitors. This is where expert execution matters. At Sanjesh Construction, attention is given to every detail, from design alignment and carving depth to finishing quality and installation accuracy. A door is not just manufactured, it is crafted with experience and understanding of real site conditions. Sanjesh Construction focuses on blending modern CNC technology with practical design knowledge. This ensures that the final door not only looks beautiful but also performs well in real-world usage. Proper thickness, strong frame support, and smooth surface finishing are all taken into consideration. Another advantage of working with Sanjesh Construction is customization. Designs can be modified based on client preferences, house elevation style, and Vastu considerations. Whether you want deeper carving, simpler lines, or additional detailing, the design can be adapted without compromising quality. For homeowners who want a premium look without excessive ornamentation, this door design is an excellent choice. It offers elegance, durability, and uniqueness in one complete package. If you are serious about upgrading your home entrance or planning a new build, connect with Sanjesh Construction for expert guidance, quality workmanship, and reliable execution. A well-crafted main door is an investment that adds value for years to come. A main door is more than a functional element. It is the architectural identity of your home. In modern residential design, full-size wooden main doors with CNC carving are redefining how entrances look and feel. This design demonstrates how thoughtful detailing and balanced composition can transform a simple door into a statement piece. The full height structure of this door enhances the sense of scale and proportion. Taller doors automatically make entrances look more luxurious and spacious. When designed correctly, they also improve ventilation and natural light alignment when paired with proper framing. The natural wood finish used in this design allows the beauty of the grain to remain visible. This creates a warm, organic appearance that artificial laminates cannot match. Many homeowners prefer this unfinished or lightly polished look because it gives flexibility for future finishing and maintenance. The left side geometric panel arrangement adds a sense of order and modernity. These recessed rectangles are not randomly placed. They follow a structured rhythm that complements contemporary home elevations. This section is ideal for those who prefer clean lines and minimalistic aesthetics. The floral carving section introduces softness and cultural elegance. Inspired by natural forms, the curves and leaf patterns bring a handcrafted feel to the door. This balance between machine precision and artistic expression is what makes CNC carving so valuable in modern design. The rosette carvings serve as visual anchors. Their circular form contrasts beautifully with the linear panels and flowing floral patterns. These details may seem small, but they significantly enhance the overall richness of the door. The diagonal curve running across the door adds motion and direction. It breaks the monotony of straight lines and guides the eye across the entire surface. This design element is particularly effective in making the door look dynamic and unique. From a construction perspective, accurate carving depth and smooth finishing are essential. Poor execution can ruin even the best design. That is why professional workmanship matters. Sanjesh Construction ensures that every carving edge is clean, every groove is smooth, and every panel aligns perfectly. Installation quality is just as important as manufacturing. Proper alignment, strong hinges, and precise frame fitting ensure long-term performance. A well-installed door operates smoothly and maintains its appearance for years. This type of door is suitable for a wide range of architectural styles. Whether your house elevation is modern, contemporary, or transitional, this design adapts effortlessly. With different finishes like teak polish, walnut stain, or matte paint, the same door can achieve completely different looks. Homeowners today look for designs that are unique yet practical. This door offers both. It is visually striking without being overpowering, and it maintains structural strength without unnecessary bulk. Choosing the right construction partner is key to achieving such results. Sanjesh Construction brings experience, technical expertise, and design understanding together. From concept selection to final installation, the focus remains on quality and client satisfaction. If you are planning your dream home or upgrading your entrance, investing in a premium main door design is a smart decision. It enhances curb appeal, improves security perception, and adds long-term value to your property. Sanjesh Construction is committed to delivering designs that are not only visually impressive but also built to last. With attention to detail and a passion for quality, every project reflects professionalism and trust. For homeowners who want a strong first impression, refined craftsmanship, and reliable execution, Sanjesh Construction stands as a dependable choice. A great home begins at the entrance, and the right door makes all the difference. When you choose a construction partner, experience and attention to detail matter. Sanjesh Construction focuses on delivering designs that are practical, durable, and visually impressive. From concept selection to final execution, every step is handled with care and professionalism, ensuring results that meet both design expectations and real-world usage. Stay connected for the next part, where we continue exploring more design insights and practical considerations to help you make the right choice for your home.